Now, what I have for you is a quick fix for that pesky OBS plugin load error. Now, if you, like myself and the many other people who use OBS on a regular basis, quite often when you update, you might encounter a plugin that is not compatible or just doesn't load correctly. So I've looked up a lot of videos, mainly on version 28, and they all refer to downgrading to version 27. Now for me, that doesn't work because I like the updates that come along with 28 and 29, which I'm now using. And yes, I still get the plugin load errors. So what I'm gonna do is show you the quick fix that I found to help you circumvent having to downgrade and keep the advantages of 28 and now 29. So follow along with me. I'm gonna go ahead and load up OBS now so you'll see what I'm talking about. Here we go. The plugin load error, which is once you open the app up, you will be presented with this prompt that lets you know that the plugin that you're using is either not compatible or something's just not working. For me, the plugin is OBS Multi-RTMP. For you, you might have a longer list and you may have to download, reinstall, and reconfigure your plugins. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on OK, just so you know I'm using OBS 29. And if you need to see it elsewhere, it's big and bold right there, OBS 29. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and shut down OBS. We're gonna go to the File Explorer, open that up. You wanna go down to your C drive. And what we're gonna do here is we wanna look for program data. Now, if you do not see that in the list, that is because your files are hidden. So what we wanna do is go ahead and show those. Under View, you go to Show, scroll down, and you can click Hidden Items, and then Program Data pops up right there. Now, another way to find it is hit the three dots up here. Go to Options, go to the View tab up here, and then you click on Show Hidden Files. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off for a moment. And if you don't know the other way, you can go to the Start menu and start typing in Control Panel. It should pop up. Just go ahead and click on that. Then you'll go to File Explorer Options. Now, when you bring it up, it may show the category view. This is the newer, sleek view, but I like to go old school, bring up the old list. So you go to File Explorer Options, click on that, open it up. It brings up that same context menu. You go to the View tab, right back in the same menu. You hit Show Your Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, hit Apply, hit OK. We're gonna go ahead and close Control Panel. Now we're still in the C drive on that Explorer window. You scroll down and you got program data. For those who know about how to get the program data, that part was useless, but for those who don't know, hopefully it'll help you find it. So we're gonna scroll down the list and we're gonna look for OBS-Studio. Go ahead and open that, and then you wanna click on Plugins. For me, it's OBS Multi-RTMP. For you, it might be the same, it might be something else. No matter what it is, you wanna click on it and delete it. Get rid of that sucker. Now, go ahead and open up OBS, see how it looks. And voila, no more plugin load error. And everything is gonna function the way it used to. If you liked it, or if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Until the next time.